Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hello traders, StockLegends.com with another explosive stock analysis. We're going to take a look at FVRG for July 9th, 2012. Before we get in the technicals, please go to StockLegends.com, our website. Under the alerts section, you can click here and you'll see our in-depth research report as well as all of our charts. And also, if you sign up for our newsletter, enter your name and email address here. We'll deliver our research reports and charts directly to your inbox. Also, you can text Legends to 411-247 to subscribe to our email alerts. Okay, let's take another look here at the chart. This is a this is a 4-month chart, and so we go back here into this is March, April, May area. Not a lot of volume here. A little bit of downward pressure pushing the stock price lower here, trading in the 15 cent, 16 cent area down to a low of 5 cents, and you can see volume was fairly minimal. Now we've had a very big volume move right here, over 250,000 shares traded on this particular day. Let's pull up our other tool so I can give you the date here. This is May 31st. So this is basically the start of this pattern we're about to take a look at. So one rule we do know is volume precedes price. We saw a very big volume spike. Price didn't really move, and then thereafter we saw the price start to move even on nominal volume. So we had a very big run to 16.5 cents, a second run up to 22 cents, and then from here we basically needed a consolidation pattern. So taking a look at the MACD, this is a great tool to use to determine the direction of the trend. And when your green line is over top of the red line, it suggests an upward trend. Also, the histogram bar is green, suggesting positive momentum, and where they cross over suggests the trend has come to an end. You can see the last high point was reached at 22 cents, and then several trading days after, the MACD lines crossed down. Although it did move a little higher from where the crossover point was, what it was suggesting is that the stock needs to consolidate. So we built up a consolidation pattern, and this is what we call a pennant. We've got lower high points, so we've drawn here a red resistance line pointing down along the high points, and a support trend, rising trend support pushing up on the price. Now what happens is these two intersect with each other and they get very tight. It reduces the volatility of the stock, and when we have very tight volatility, a little bit of volume can really spark the run. So what we're seeing here now is volume started to increase over the last 2 trading days, and now we've got a breakout. So we've broken upward and outward past our resistance trend line. Now this was a little bit of an interesting trading day. You can see this candle here did move below support. What this was, it was a gap below. So for whatever reason, the opening day, perhaps there was a seller, and maybe the market makers weren't really paying attention, and they ended up getting some shares here below 6 cents for a brief period of time, and then the stock ran right up and broke out past resistance. So we go with the closing price, which is the closed here at 18.6 cents. So a very big gain here, 33.74% gains on nearly 83,000 shares. So from here, looks like the direction does appear to be positive. We've got a cross up here on the MACD, suggesting positive momentum. It's coming back in the stock. Similar indicators here with the STO. You can see that it had been moving down and then sort of bottomed out and been moving sideways during the consolidation, and then now we're seeing clearly upward momentum starting to come in. So that's another very positive sign as well. Also, you can see accumulation starting to head upwards, another great sign as well. So watch for possible resistance here. The 18 cent level looks like the first resistance from this high point, 22 cents the next resistance level. So we'll draw a little resistance line on this one, and if we get past 22 cents, we should see another big run. So a lot of built up energy here being released, and we're seeing a nice breakout occur. So great opportunity to get in and get some profits under your belt for this week. Thanks very much for watching, and happy trading.